There's a few trends that we see in the financial industry. One is the general automation for B2B client onboarding. And we estimate that only about 5% of financial institutions worldwide have already implemented an automated account opening and automated onboarding. And it's still wide open. So there's still a lot of opportunity there for us, but also there's a lot of opportunity still for those financial institutions that adapt a automated solution. The other trend that we're seeing is this switch, as you also mentioned, to perpetual KYB and moving from static company information to dynamic, the audit proof and primary source based information. And that, I think, is something that some financial institutions are struggling with because it is mandated by European anti-money laundering laws. At the same time, it also requires a rethink of how the data is used and how it's captured and how it is actually then implemented in the risk models, in the compliance systems, etc. So going from static data to dynamic data also means you have to track where does the data come from, the time stamping, and this requires some adaptation. But one problematic approach, though, I would say, is that today a lot of the manual processes are being digitized, but they're digitized in a way that we're creating, or that they're creating digital twins. So taking a manual process, taking a process that has almost no automation or very little digital components, and just saying, okay, we're going to make it digital. We're going to create a digital twin, and everything is the same. Well, actually, that defeats the purpose, because through RegTech, you have the possibility to take a fresh approach on what is the process, how can we make it more efficient, and by making it more efficient, you make it more effective.